My dad isn't dead, is he? He's right here in this village.
Charlie, crisis meeting. Sit. Ella, get down here now.
I wanna put you in front of everything we got. When I see the time of my life, I see you in the center.
So tell the truth for once in your life. At least my dad, isn't he? Wait, I thought he was dead. Did you actually think you could keep this from me? My dad works in the same town that I live in. I almost met him yesterday.
He doesn't know anything about you.
It's just lies upon lies. I don't know what's real and what's not anymore. You've been lying to everybody.
She was trying to protect you.
Maybe it was just me you've been lying to.
Who told you?
Verity joined the dots. Wasn't that difficult? Apparently, she's the only person in the whole world I can actually trust.
So that's where you stayed last night?
Well, while we were here, is there anything else you think you should tell me? Any more sordid little secrets that you've been sitting on for the past 3 decades?
Please don't approach Ali about this. I don't want you to get hurt.
Do we have to do this?
Seeing as you refused to talk to us about it last night, yes. So talk. Why do you have to have sex right now?
Loads of kids our age are doing it.
Well, they're too young as well, and you're not 16.
Listen, when did you two actually become a thing?
A few days.
Oh.
5 minutes ago, you were dead chuffed about the fact that he had a girlfriend. You gave me the birds and the bees talk. What do you think was going to happen?
I didn't think the bird was living in this house. Look, we didn't bring you here to have a relationship with Charlie. We brought you here to get you away from your mum, all right? And she's not going to be happy if something happens between you two under our care.
I need to get ready for work. If something happens between me and Charlie, you won't even have to know about it. It's weird that you're so involved.
Oh, weird is it?
Well, I'm glad that we're so involved, because now I know that you can't be trusted under the same roof. I'm sending you back to Mandy's.
Hey, you still managing to put me through my paces?
Always, old man. Right, what do you want? Cup of tea, cup of coffee? Second thoughts, we better have water. Don't have teeth like hers, do we?
You what?
Hey, it's hard getting a dentist appointment, what with the pandemic. I mean, I could do with a scan and polish myself. Come on, Luke, let's get a coffee. What's one more, eh?
I'll get him in, mate. I've got a job, I've got the inheritance, you're still on job seekers allowance.
All right, keep your voice down. I know your mum's left you a bit of cash, but you still got a wedding to pay for.
I'm not even halfway there yet, mate. I've got deposits to pay this week.
You know what, mate? You might want to think about getting some wedding insurance. You know, just in case it doesn't happen for some reason.
Literally nothing is going to stop me marrying Cindy next year. Nothing.
Well, that was a great way to find out about you and Verity. You know, you bang on about how Misbah's always lying to you, but you don't give a second thought about lying to me, do you?
I just didn't want to come home last night.
Shaq.
Man, I'm not with Verity, I swear. I went to her for legal help after you told me where to go the other day, and I...
Okay, look. Forget about that, okay? It's just I should have read the room, okay? And I'm sorry for that.
Nobody's who they say they are. Probably find out you're my grandma next week.
I understand what you're going through. I mean, not exactly, but when I found out my dad had taken his own life in prison, everything I thought I knew about him and our family just went up in smoke. And that was it. I never got a chance to speak to him again or find out anything more.
At least I have a chance to get to know Ali, I suppose. But what if he doesn't want to know me?
Shaq, anyone would be delighted to find out they've got you for a son. I think you need to talk to Misbah.
No, man. I'm done with her. Maybe I should go straight to my dad.
I'm just gutted. I mean, you and Juliet were perfect together. Now you've broken up and she's moved out already. I'm a child of divorce.
Sid, even after all the drug dealing, I saw a future with her. But this is different. I can't be with someone who lies. She lied about getting sacked at the garage. She lied about all that money that just disappeared from my account. And now all this stuff with the stalker.
What if she's not lying?
Oh, speaking of stalkers, Cher, you hardly even know her. You have no idea what you're getting involved in. Why is she protecting you, though? That's the real question.
Maybe because she knows I didn't do it.
Or maybe because she's making it up. Look, I don't know if you two are suddenly best mates or what is going on. But I'd be careful if I were you.
That birds and the bees chart was about when you get older, mate.
This is so unfair. We're not stupid.
You know, there is nothing unfair about it. I'm going to speak to Ella's parole officer today, go through all the proper channels so we can get her settled back at home.
She can't go back home. Please.
Not only is she going back there, I have a duty of care to tell Mandy what's been going on.
Way to make things worse. What if we promise we won't have sex?
I'm afraid that ship has sailed. I can't trust you anymore. Don't be late for school. Bye, babe.
See ya. I need to talk around.
I'm not talking around. Because I agree with her.
Oh. Well, if Ella's going, I'm going too.
No, you're not.
Why? Do you think I need you? I can work things out with me and Ella. I'll get back to dealing. I'm way more connected now since being in juvie.
Thought you just said you're not stupid. There's no way you'd go back to all that.
Try me.
Oh, I need to take this. Jezza! Tomorrow? Are you free to go to London tomorrow?
Yeah.
Sounds great. Appreciate it. That was a doctor friend of mine. He's a top orthopaedist in London. You don't want DJ catching up on a year of appointments at pokey old D Valley when he could see the best spinal doctor there is, do you?
Wait, is that an option? What?
Well, you and DJ deserve the best, so I've nabbed you an appointment with the top guy tomorrow, if you want it.
Yes, of course. Thank you, thank you. I'll call you later. Thank you.
Can I help you?
I'm your son.